everyone, MTG Dragon Mama here. So those of you who watch some of my videos will realise that I am collecting Kamigawa Neon Dynasty. Yep, so I have bought myself some set boosters and I'm going to open them in front of you guys today. So, and there are some things that I need. There are quite a few cards that I still don't have, mainly down the far end of the number list. So, but anyway, we'll see what comes up, shall we? And then I'll let you guys in on the different things that I have managed to get for myself. Okay, so let's get started. I particularly like this this set, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be collecting it. And it was released in 2022 as its first kind of like sci-fi set in a sci-fi, and has kind of like this real fun kind of Japanese style flavour to it. And I believe they did get some Japanese artists in that originally would have worked on things like some manga and that. And I think it's great. Like I love the style, I love the colours that they use. Some really, really nice cards. So, all right, so we're starting with an art card. Is Tatsunari Toad Rider. Let's have a look at this guy. Toad Rider. Ooh, right in that toad. Look at the colours on that. I mean, it's just fab. Love it. I think I see a land. Now, Kamigawa lands, as you might already know, are my favourite lands. And I don't have 294. Get in, come on. Now, I definitely have Dokuchi Shadow Walker several times. It's one of the most common cards in the set. Repel the Vile. Kami of Terrible Secrets. Ecologist Terrarium. It takes some pruning, that little bonsai tree. Nazumi Blade Blesser. Covert Technician. Human Ninja. Malicious Malfunction. The Fall of Lord Konda into Fragment of Konda. Satoru Emezawa. I mean, that is one thing about this particular set, is that sometimes the names are a little bit interesting. But legendary creature, whenever you activate a ninjutsu ability, look at the top 3 cards of your library, put one of them into your hand and the rest on the bottom of your library in any order. Nice. So this has the ninjutsu mechanic. Kami of Transience. I don't believe I've got this one either. We'll see. 3 rares? 3 rares? 1, 2. Margin of the Cryptic Dreams. Yes, look at that beautiful foil. A rare foil. I'm trying to say both at the same time, wasn't I? A rare foil. Nice. And a construct token. Wow. Look at these 3 beauties. Get in. Fantastic. Look at them. Thank you very much. And I particularly like this art card. So I'm actually going to leave this out. just there. This is good. Nice. Okay, we'll put these over here. All right then. So, next pack. And we start with a art card of a mountain. Whatcha? Look at that beauty. Oh, very nice. I have to frame a couple of these. Oh, and I've got the card to go with it. Nice. See, told you. Tokuchi Shadow Walker. I mean, they might as well put one in every pack. Honestly, the amount of times I've pulled this card is unreal. Covert Technician. Imperia Subduer. Reckoner Shakedown. Another very common one. Chainfall Centipede. Tawashi Song Shaper. On the decks, man. Waka waka waka. Bootswicket. Essence Capture. Seismic Wave. Era of Enlightenment. I don't know how many times I've had this one as well. Oh, I just seen the sight. Hand of Enlightenment. Here we go. And a mythic. Oh, the Dawn Sky. I mean, apart from I think I already have this one. Yes, it's number 2. But nice. Very nice. Thank you. And a Greater Tanuki in a foil. Very good. I might just keep that with the foil there. And let's play Magic card. You know, sometimes I think, do they really need to put those Magic cards in there saying let's play Magic? Because the people buying the Magic packs are people who play Magic, no? Anyway, here we go. So, Sky Swimmer Koi. That's so cool. I'd love to go to Japan. I've never been to Japan. I've lived in Malaysia for a while, but I haven't been to Japan. And I really like Asia as a place. And Japan just, I feel like I would find some things about myself going there. This is cool. Love the colours. Jungle Hollow. Nazumi Blade Blesser. Oh, bless her. Future Operative. Disruption Protocol. Brute Suite. Light the Way. Peerless Samurai. Honestly, I don't know how many times I've had this card. Oni Cult Anvil. Dockside Chef. Okiba Reckoner Raid. Into Nazumi Road Captain. I've had this one several times also. And the rare is a March of Reckless Joy. I don't think I've got this one. I'm pretty sure I don't have that. And the foil Smine Sling. Very nice. Not sure it's going to go into my special pile though. And a Samurai Token. Again, very common. Next pack. Get into these quite quickly. Invoke Despair. I mean, the colours are just amazing. And I love all this kind of, this design of the water and stuff. It's just classic. Absolutely classic. I love it. Lovely stuff. And a foil land. Look at that foil forest, it's lovely. I mean, this is why I love Kamigawa lands. They're just amazing. Guardians of Boro, Aki Ronin, Selfless Samurai, Juka Preserver, Master's Rebuke, Fang of Shikiki, Historian's Wisdom, Story Weave, Bosuju Reaches Skyward, Branch of Bosuju. Such a pretty style. I quite like this with all the, almost looks like stained glass window. And for the rare, Tamashi, Reality Architect. Look at the beautiful colours in that. I mean, you guys know how much I love purple. So nice. It's a Moonfolk Wizard. And then we have a Dokuchi Silencer in foil, another foil. What is the list? I don't know, you tell me, what is the list? Maybe it's something to do with treasure. And my last pack. I think I've got a couple of cards here that can go with that. You know, I'm always thinking, oh, should I go for singles? Should I get myself singles? But I can never find anyone actually, you know, apart from the big places, I can never really find myself getting singles. It's really difficult. Okay, so this is a swamp. Oh, I have this, definitely have this, but this is very nice. And a swamp card. I definitely have that. Inkrise Infiltrator, Crafted Growth. How many times can we get this card in this video? Dokuchi Shadow Walker, Inkrise Infiltrator, I swear we've just had that one as well. Ninja Kunai, Flame Discharge, we've not had this one yet this video. Upriser Renegade, Tales of Master Shishiro, Shishiro's Living Legacy. And for rare, Ruthless Technomancer. Ruthless Technomancer. Human Wizard. Not quite legendary, but there we are. Carry the Swirling Sky. Nice. Look at that Spirit Dragon. Yes, please, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice. 6/6. Yes. I can go in my... And Uncharted Haven. I think that's a good one. And it's a foil. Look at that beautiness. That's going to go over here. And another advert card. Right. So, I think I'll put all these over here. I've got some very nice land cards. I've got some nice rares. Mythic. And I think this foil rare is probably my favourite of the lot. Yep. So, tell me what you think of Kamigawa Neon Dynasty as a set in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be updating you on my collection fairly soon. Thanks guys for watching. See ya!